Okay, this is my Tamiya Centurion MK3 tank. This is to let you know what it sounds like. Sorry if the camera shakes a little bit. I've just kind of got a bit of a dodgy setup so I could show you. So if you take the back off it, that shows the newer Tamiya control unit. So you power it up. And I'm running the Fly Sky receiver and controller. So I have had to set it up a little bit differently. I've also unplugged the motors because the gearboxes have got a bit of noise about them. The sound on this is actually not that good. Yeah, as we go through, I'll show you what I mean. So I'll just try zooming in on this. So you've basically got your down button and your up button, and this is your select button, so you can go through your menus. So the first menu, you've got your tank mode, which determines how your tank will fire, how long in between main gunshots that you have. On light, it's pretty quick. It's only like, I think it's 2 or 4 seconds. And then if you move into the medium tank, then it's longer. If you move into the heavy tank, then it's even longer again. The run mode, I think that determines the speed, so it can either be a faster speed set or a slower speed set. And what we're interested in at the moment is the sound. So you go down to sound and then you select it, and then you've got sound range up to 30, which sounds terrible, and down to 0. Even in the instructions, it recommends 24 as your maximum, or else they say it starts to distort. When you haven't got the gearboxes connected and you can only hear the speaker, I find anything above 12, it does distort. So I'll see if you can get the sound of it at 12. So that's just going up on the throttle, and now we'll go down on the throttle. Okay, and now we will go up. So that's 20, and we'll do that same test again. Probably not the best sound. Then you've got your turret rotation. Which again, you hear the turret motor more than the sound. And you do have barrel elevation noises. But the way that I've set this up, you actually don't have that, and I'll put it into another part of the video of what I've done with how I have set this up to run on the Fly Sky controller. And then you've got your cannon sound and your machine gun. And then you've also got, let's see if I can get this to work again, the engine shutting down. And then it is getting interference for the speaker, but if you turn the controller off, the interference goes away. So yeah, I've just got to look into what I can actually do about that, if anything. But with the engine turned off itself, because I've turned it off from the controller, the engine is off, but you still have full use of the turret while the engine is off, and still your machine gun and main cannon as well. But yeah, like I am pushing the throttle forward now and it does nothing. So then if we start the engine, if we start the engine back up, then you have your engine sound back again. So yeah, when the motors are hooked up, if the engine is not running, then the tank won't move, but you still have movement on the turret.